Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore the value and heritage of a particular coin in this episode. We'll be taking a closer look at the UK 1 penny 1961 coin and its significance at heritage auctions. Before we dive into its value, the UK 1 penny coin, featuring Queen Elizabeth II, was minted in 1961 as part of a series of British currency. Its obverse design showcases a youthful portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse features the iconic seated Britannia image. Coins in exceptional condition, often referred to as mint state, tend to command higher prices at auctions. The UK 1 penny 1961 coin is a remarkable piece of numismatic history. Its limited mintage and remarkable condition make it highly sought after by collectors worldwide. So, what's the value of the UK 1 penny 1961 coin at heritage auctions? Well, it can vary based on factors such as rarity, condition, and demand. In recent auctions, similar coins have fetched prices ranging from $80,000, making it a valuable addition to any numismatic collection. As a passionate coin collector, owning a piece of history like the UK 1 penny 1961 coin is incredibly rewarding. Its design, historical significance, and potential for appreciation in value make it a true gem in any collection. Thank you for joining us on this numismatic journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things coins and collectibles.